another video, FIFA. I'm not playing a game. What I'm going to be doing is a pack opening. So yes, go to gold pack. Let's do 7.5k runs. So yes, hope to get someone good. Let's get this. Okay, we've got Julia Calegion, whatever, whoever pronounced his name. Yeah, okay, right, I don't really need them, except from the contracts. I just put the contracts back in the squad, fitness, and then all the players can be quick sold. So, on to another pack. Haven't got that much FIFA points, but you know, it'll do. Some more players. I've heard he's pretty decent, so I don't even know how much he goes for. Let's compare price, and he goes for 900. That's a lot, not? Let's just quick sell that. No. Oh, whoops, no, maybe not. I accidentally done that. So, let's open another one. Please like, by the way, and subscribe, because Halim's joined the channel, and we are going to be just uploading videos. Lots. He's going to be like doing vlogs and all that, and I'm going to be doing like gaming. So yeah, should be fun. And now we move on to the second pack. What pack is it? Oh, I don't know. I think it's the 5th or 6th. I don't know. So yeah. Oh my god! Come on, we need to be getting people good. Let's sell them. I'm getting quite a lot of coins though. Let's just open another one. Come on, just get someone good, please. Let's get that. I've heard he's good. How much did he go for? Oh, I accidentally done that. Anyway. Oh, wait, it's the Real Madrid one. Does that even go for much? I thought it goes to like 2k or something. Compare price. Now 1k. That can go in my squad. I got 2 more packs. And then I'll just open one with like coins, I don't know. No, it's not open one with coins. So here we go, please someone good. Oh, come on. I thought it was Joe Hart then, but you know. All that can go into my squad really. Doop. One more pack. Please just, Eden, just give me someone good, Eden Hazard. Please. Worthless, embarrassing, you're just playing dumb. This ain't the way that it's going down, son. What? Come on. Fletcher looks so much different to the how he was in 2014. Flipping it. Last season rather. Oh my god. I'm gonna put all them in my squad. Like, all them contracts. Rest, you can just go quick sold. And there we go. Now, hopefully, they'll be my squad. Let me just put these on. So yes, if you're wondering where my Match Attack series is going to be coming in, like Match Attack Wonders, it should be coming in soon. I might be starting it again. Yeah, I want to start it again so it's more fair and, you know, better. I might have to sell this team to, like, you know, do it. It looks pretty good. This is worth like 40,000 coins plus like all the, well, there's probably about, I don't know, 60,000 with all like reserves and that. So, hope you've enjoyed this pack opening. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.